Hello, this is Will with NetApp, and today we're taking a look at the Azure NetApp file service. So quickly, let's access the Azure portal, which is found at portal.azure.com, and let's click on All Services, and let's type in NetApp here to filter out our results to pull up the Azure NetApp file service. From here, we can go through and choose to create a new NetApp account we can use with Azure NetApp files, or we can use an existing one. Just to show you the process for creating a new account, it's very simple. We'll click on Add, and we'll fill out the relevant details. The name of our account, subscription, resource group, and our location. And we choose Create, and that process is done in just a few seconds. I already have one in place, so I'm just going to use my existing account. So I'll do that here now. Once we're inside of our account, we can get access to the overview of our account here, activity logs, access control, any kind of key value pairs. What I'm really looking for, though, is my capacity pools, which is found underneath storage service. I'll select capacity pools, and I have, again, an existing capacity pool here that I'm already using. To add a new pool is very simple. I can simply go through and choose New Capacity Pool, give my new pool a name. We'll call that pool 02. The pools are created in 4 terabyte increments. So in this case here, we start with 4. We can increase this to 8, 12, 16, on and on, all the way up to 500 terabytes currently. We are also offering at this phase of the service a premium service level, which offers 64 megabytes a second per terabyte provision. So that's in place here. So we'll choose OK. This will create our pool for us. Great, and there it is. So I'm going to choose my pool here, and I'll choose volumes underneath the storage service offering as well. So we have an existing volume that's in place here. I can also go through and create a new volume. If I choose Add Volume here, this will allow me to go through and create a new volume, and I just have to go through and just follow the prompts. It's really simple. From here, I'll just choose volume name. I'm going to choose recording 01 for my volume name. I'll just paste that in for my file path here as well. I can adjust my quota size for my volume. The capacity of my volume is my quota size. The smallest increment is 100 gigabytes. I can also increase this up to 100 terabytes, assuming that I have enough available space inside of my my capacity pool. So we also have the ability to choose which virtual network and subnet we want this volume to participate on. So in this case here, we have an existing virtual network and subnet. However, if I did not have one in place, I could easily go through and create one of those here with our create new options you can see at the bottom of each menu. So in this case here, often customers will have a virtual network deployed, but not a subnet for use with Azure NetApp files. To create a new subnet that we would delegate to Azure NetApp files is really easy. We can just choose Create New here. Again, fill out the name of our subnet, fill in the information for our address range, and then hit OK. And that's going to delegate that subnet strictly to Azure NetApp files for its use. Great. So let's go through here. We have our volume information. We can now choose tags, and we can add in our key value pair information here. So we can add in type, and we'll just call this production. And we'll choose review and create. And this will go through and validate all information we've put in so far. We'll choose create, and that's going to initialize the new volume creation process, which we can easily monitor in the notification tab at the top of the page.